Hi, this is Dawn Toberman. I am presenting my final project for my critical thinking class at Eastern Illinois University. These are some SMART goals to help obtain my degree. I've identified 4 qualities I have that employers are looking for in an employee. After thinking about these qualities and reflecting on them, I have come up with some SMART goals to maintain and strengthen these skills. I feel like these goals will help guide me through obtaining my degree and in my line of work. These 4 qualities are communication, problem solving, teamwork, and discipline. I've come up with some SMART goals to help maintain these skills or help me with them. Communication. What is your basic goal? That is to improve listening skills for better work performance by the end of the year. The SMART goals are specific in it will be improving my listening skills. This goal is measurable because I will be asking questions daily with friends and coworkers, family. When they do tell me an event, I will comprehend, retain, and respond. This goal is attainable by practicing these skills daily at work, school, and at home. It's realistic, and I can research topics that they do discuss, and I can practice again daily speaking with them and asking asking questions. This goal is time bound. I would like to obtain it in 2 months. Communication, I feel is important for employers to look for in an employee by I can obtain this by practicing listening skills and asking questions. This can help build better communication skills. Problem solving. What is your basic goal? To create family game night once a week. This goal is specific, and I'm going to have a game night to retain problem solving skills. It's measurable, doing this once a week for 2 months, if not longer. It's attainable, work each week with family members' schedules to make it attainable. Find out what night works best for them where we're all going to be home at the same time. It's realistic. We can find games online or we have board games here at home. Time bound, we will do this once a week. Having family game night can help with problem solving skills that are needed in class and in work. Teamwork is another quality that I feel I would possess. Basic goal to help with this would be to organize a team building activity for work by the end of the 2 months. It is specific in that I want to organize a team. It's measurable because I want to plan out the activity and I'll follow up with coworkers on when and what works best for them. It's attainable by finding events in my area. One good teamwork building activity would be to do a escape room. They have those in the area. This is time bound. I would like to obtain this by the end of 2 months. This goal will help me work better with others to find solutions to problems. Discipline would be the last one. Basic goal would be to run Lake Sarah Dam 8 Mile by April 2021. It's specific. I want to run the Lake Sarah 8 Mile. It's measurable. I'm already running every day. I can add extra minutes to each of my morning runs. It is attainable. I run 5 days a week, starting at 3 miles, then gradually adding 5 minutes to each run. Realistic, I can cross train on days that I don't run to help maintain. And it is time bound. April 2021 is when I want to achieve this goal. Setting this goal shows discipline, which is a skill that I possess and employers look for in employees.